Steffi. Welcome back to my channel, RA and Myself. Today I'm going to be talking about a healthcare company called Pack Health. I signed up for their 12-week program recently, about a few weeks ago. Anyone can sign up. It's free. If you feel that this program isn't for you, you can opt out at any time. There's no obligation or hidden fees whatsoever. And I just wanted to talk to you guys about my experience so far and share it with everyone in the rheumatoid arthritis community and let you guys know what this is all about. So let's get to it. The mission of Pack Health is to offer digital health coaching for those living with chronic conditions or maybe predisposed to developing one in the future. And how it works, it's pretty simple. You go to the link in the description box in this video and sign up. It takes a few minutes. You put your information in, where your condition area is, and then they automatically match you with a health advisor. For me, my condition is rheumatoid arthritis, and I was matched with a health advisor who is knowledgeable in that area. They offer health coaching services for many other health conditions, not just rheumatoid arthritis. When people hear the word health coach or health advisor, they get a little bit skeptical. Sometimes people prefer to work with someone who actually is a doctor, physician, or specialist in their condition area, and that's well understood. However, with Pack Health, they only hire people who have a bachelor's or master's in a science background, such as exercise science, dietitian, nutrition, and so forth. So for those of you who are concerned about working with someone who doesn't have those backgrounds, Pack Health does offer that. Once you fill out the form, which only takes a couple minutes, you're all set, and then we'll receive your welcome packet in the mail. And it's a little box that provides all the information you'll need for your 12-week program. And I decided that I was going to do a little unboxing today of what's inside. So once you open the box, you'll see that there's a bunch of information in here. And I'll go one by one and let you guys know what it is. The first thing that you can expect to see is what to expect. It's the card from Pack Health, and it says what you'll be doing. So you'll connect weekly, receive a personalized follow-up from your health advisor, and get connected to resources. And with signing up, if you feel that your health advisor isn't a good fit for you, you can request another one. On this card, it also gives Pack Health social media links. They're on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and they have their own blog. Feel free to connect with them on there. The link is in the description box below. When it came time to personalize my program, I decided to talk to my health coach every 2 weeks on the phone for 15 minutes. 15 minutes is usually the amount of time you will spend on the phone if you decide to go that route. Personally, with my schedule, I felt that fit my needs better. If you feel that you want to talk to your coach via text and email, that's also offered. You can talk to them once a week, bi-weekly, which is every 2 weeks, via any of those methods. And you can share as little or as much information as you want with your health advisor. There's no need to share anything that you don't want to. They are there for free to help you achieve any mini or big goals that you have. And whatever your goals are, your health coach or advisor will tailor resources to you. So you'll be getting texts, emails, little tips here and there of what you can do to reach your goals that you guys have discussed. And the great thing about this is not to have someone be accountable for what you need to do 24/7, because at the end of the day, we all need to be accountable and have accountability for what we need to do in our day-to-day lives. However, if you feel that you need a little bit of encouragement or you're getting discouraged with a goal, it's good to sometimes lean on someone and have support. So don't feel that you have to do everything on your own. It's okay to ask for help and try something out that's new. With that being said, it's all about finding your motivation. Either you find it within yourself or you need a little bit of an extra boost, and that's where Pack Health comes in. So my biggest goals that I shared with my health advisor that I want to accomplish in the next 3 months or even this year are my children's book and gaining more weight and muscle mass and getting into a more stable balance with my health, which I am on the path of doing. And with my book, I really wanted to work on time management and getting more organized. And I feel that I am very organized with what I need to do, but he also gave me advice on how to break up things throughout the day. So work on something for 30 minutes, take a break, work on something for an hour, take a break, and that really helped me schedule what I need to do, and I ended up getting a lot done. And with being a writer and working on the computer all the time, sometimes we get in a zone. Those of you who are writers can relate, and you may sit down and not get up for the next 5 hours. Living with rheumatoid arthritis, that's not always a good mix. Those are a couple examples that I'm working on with my health coach, and you can work on anything. That's where tiny steps comes in. So the tiny steps is breaking down a big goal into little goals. So with the example I gave with my health goals, gaining more weight and muscle mass, what are the tiny steps I can do to get to that big goal? And that was marking down my macronutrients, increasing my protein, making sure I get exercise every day, strength training, bands, and mentioning bands. And here, one of the great things that they provide is a stretch band, and they give you techniques and ways to use it in a little mini video that you can access on their website. So this is the band. It comes prepackaged. And let's see if this... And I wanted to wait to show you guys before I even used it. And it's very big. I can extend out all the way past the camera. They give you instructions on how to take care of the band, and even on the back of this, they provide 4 exercises you can do with your stretch band. They also give a self-care guide, and in this self-care guide, it's actually tailored to my condition. Right here, the first page, I turn to it and it says, what is rheumatoid arthritis? Then it goes setting your goals, handling your health, managing medication. Really good for someone who's also just been diagnosed with RA. I honestly wish I had this in the beginning of my diagnosis days. And then, yeah, you can just mark down anything you need on here as well with the day tracker, which is another little pamphlet they give. And the day tracker comes with instructions, and you basically mark down every day what you ate, how you exercised, how your sleep was, your medications, did you take them or not. So you can track your pain and your stiffness as well. So this is kind of what a typical day tracker page would look like. This is really cool. You can stick this on your fridge, or even if you have a dry erase board in your room or somewhere in your office, and it is a tiny step little guide. Another cute little portion size magnet that you can stick on your fridge, and it gives like food groups and everything, which is a good reminder. They also give you a drug discount card by Needy Meds, and you basically take this to your pharmacy and they run it through, and if it applies to you, then you'll be able to get any discount on medications. And it says here, patients who have Medicare, including Part D, Medicaid, or state federal prescription insurance can only use this card if they choose not to use their government-sponsored drug plan for their purchase. This is good for someone who doesn't necessarily have health insurance and they need coverage, which a lot of people tend to be in that situation from time to time. Hope you guys found this video useful. Also, feel free to reach out to me if you guys have any questions too. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, bye.